Almost there. Almost there. Almost. There we go. One more. And we're going to walk them up. And see how close we get. So how does that hole fit? That's a bit sloppy. I don't like sloppy. There we go. Wait, are you recording? Turn it off. No. Yeah. See, this is how I do all of them. This is I don't use the demon-possessed yellow brace. Yeah, you see, this is how I do all of them. I don't use a demon-possessed yellow brace. Wow. Guess there's a first time for everything. Don't let it move. So I gotta cut out that little notch. Go a little deeper. That's close. Why isn't that going down? Approximately 2.5 inches. So let's go 1.25 inches and draw a line. That size. pretty.
What's that?
Yeah, see, that's far more artistic. Two, one, crunch! So wiggle down in there. That down in, and then line this one. However, this not going in all the way is a problem. As this, but it's not. It is off significantly. This is shorter, so I need to squeeze it that way. Let's see. Tighten it up. Oh. Take this thing apart. Clean face. Yeah, I want that there. I want that there. And I want this here. This mark. Oh, I really, really hope so. There you go. That's what I'm looking for there. That's what I'm looking for there. Shelf. So there you have it, the third installment in the medicine cabinet, and I'll have at least one more, if not two more of these come out. If you have questions, go over to the other channel, Wood by Wright How To. On there, I actually talk through the whole project and I answer most of those questions and explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and why there's these odd cutouts in weird places. So if you want to see that, the How To channel, if there's a video that came out on this channel, there's a supplement that came out over there with more information. So if you want to see that, then go over there. But if you do put a question down here, I will try and answer them. So anytime you put a question, comment, share, subscribe, those help the channel. Thank you. They really do. They help us get in front of more people. They help the all-powerful algorithm, and they keep us going. So if you want to help out with that, then think about becoming a patron on Patreon or a member here on YouTube, or click the little thank you button down below. All those things do help us out. They get us in front of more people, and we are completely sponsored by you guys. Without you, we wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to do that, well, you know what to do. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I'm getting sick of this project. I think I need to go get some cabinet medicine for my medicine cabinet.